Models with display audio can take advantage of several complimentary HondaLink benefits, like easy service scheduling and a Bluetooth phone pairing guide. And select models allow owners to subscribe to a wealth of connectivity services to make life easier and more convenient. The first thing you'll need to do is download the HondaLink app to your device. iPhone users will go to the App Store and Android users to the Google Play Store. Open the app and review and accept the terms and conditions. Next is the Get Started page. Tap the Add My Vehicle button. Now, input the vehicle identification number or touch the scan icon and scan the VIN barcode found in the driver's door jamb. Your vehicle will then appear on the success screen. Tap the Get Started button. If you already have a Honda ID, enter your email and password. If not, select the Register Now option. Next, input your email and tap Continue. You will receive an email shortly asking you to verify your email address. Enter your name and create a password. Hit Continue. You'll then be asked to create security questions and answers. Now go ahead and log in with your email and the password you just created. If your vehicle has the Link and Assistance buttons in the overhead console, you'll see the Unlock More Features card on the app. Tap Start Trial. On the next screen, review the terms and conditions, then tap Accept. Enter your zip code and tap Next. Then create your 4-digit PIN number and write it down. Tap Next. Re-enter to verify your PIN and tap Done. Now you're enrolled. But before you can use the HondaLink app features on your smartphone, there's one more thing. Authorize your enrollment by pairing your phone to the vehicle. With the car parked, use the Bluetooth pairing guide and follow the step-by-step instructions to pair your phone. That's it. As your complimentary 3-month trial period is coming to an end, you'll start receiving notifications to subscribe and continue using the HondaLink services without interruption. It's as easy as pressing the link button in your vehicle.